I have a lot of squirrels. Besides stealing all the birdseed, they're also really good at chewing Christmas light wires. A little tough to see, but you get the idea. So far, I've found 3 broken wires. There is a simple fix. Heat shrink butt connectors. I bought a whole bunch of them since I'll be doing this a lot more often probably. They come in different gauges and they are color coded. So besides the connectors, you'll need wire strippers and some crimpers. I bought this actually as a set. I'm sure if I can do it, you can do it. I'm no expert. One other thing you'll need is a heat gun or a torch. I'm using the heat gun. It's a lot safer. I guess we'll do this one first. So these wires are chewed, so I'm just cleaning the tips off. They actually have a little stop. Okay, now we want to strip it. It's about 1/4 inch. Okay, 2 spliced wires. We can grab a connector. I am going with the 22 to 16 gauge red. These are pretty small wires. And we'll do 1 wire. Little test. It's good. So these crimpers are made specifically for these connectors. You won't damage the connector in any way. And then once you heat it, there's adhesive inside, and that will make it a watertight seal. Good and tight. They've cooled off. Now we can test them out. Boy, this is going to be embarrassing if it doesn't work.